Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how I made my rum topping for my bread pudding that I showed you guys how I made yesterday. So in a pot, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the Rare Nephew coconut rum, and I will also go in and add some vanilla flavoring. And then I'm going to add some condensed milk. Now, you guys don't have to use the condensed milk. You can always go in and use brown sugar or granulated sugar for the topping for your bread pudding, all right? And of course, you always want to go ahead and combine all of that together. I don't know if some of you guys probably see, you know, when you bake bread pudding, come out a little bit dry on top. I don't like it. I love when my bread pudding is moist. Alright? So I'm going to go in and add some of the cinnamon powder also. And I will add some of the mixed spice. So this helps to give your bread pudding moisture. So when you cut it, you see that moistness and it's not so dry. So what you can do, you can always go ahead and just put this on the stove. Heat it up for about a minute or two, or you don't have to heat it up, you just pour it over your bread pudding, put it back in the oven for additional 5 minutes, and then when you take it out, you just allow your bread pudding to cool, and then you just slice it up and serve it. That's it. So this is the bread pudding. So as you can see, you see the top of the bread pudding, what I was telling you guys about, it's a little bit dry. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour it over it. Place it back in the oven for roughly another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, always remember that you don't necessarily need to pour it over it like this. You can always go ahead and boil it and then you just pour it over it. Alright, when you're serving it or whatever you want to do, but you don't necessarily have to do it like this, like how I'm doing it now. This is just another option to do it. Alright guys, so this is it, and this is what my bread pudding looks like. As you can see, really moist and nice. So I'm gonna serve this up and show you guys the final product, or I'll just slice it and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is the final product, and I drizzle just a small amount of condensed milk over it just to add some additional sweetness. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I hope you guys subscribe.